how you going? I hope everybody's doing well out there. So I've got the chickens out and I'll show you after this how my babies are getting so big and cute and following mum around everywhere and learning how to dig and forage for food. So Frizzle's doing a good job, but I just wanted to show you my pineapples are starting to go yellow. So I'm really excited. And we've got this tiny little one here that's going yellow as well, so it's going to be so sweet. And my one at the front's starting to go yellow as well, so hopefully in a couple of months they'll be ripe and ready for Buddy and Echo to have a try. Hey guys, so I've got the babies out. They're getting so much bigger. Look at them. Little rat bags. Hanging out with the other chooks. Oh, and here come the noisy ones. Yay! They just scared all the babies away. Yeah? You guys are a menace. Yeah, a menace. Where's my baby? Whee! Hello, darling. Whee! Look at you all. Go, Mom, quick. Whee! I'll take him under here, safe under the tree. Yeah. Hello, darlings. Yeah, hello. You got your babies out today, Frizz? My babies. Yeah? Ooh. Getting all the grass. Yeah, it's just been cut, hasn't it? I finally got no rain. Hey, babies. Yeah. Are you hanging out with the baby chickens? Hi. Check it out. My babies are having a swim now. My girls. Babies. Hello, my baby girl. Yeah, you look like a bat hanging down like that. Don't you? Yeah? Hello? What are you doing? Hi. That's my beautiful girl. Yeah, hello, baby. What you doing, Echo? Climbing. Hey, careful. Careful. Hey, hello, beautiful. You made it. Yeah? We need the sheet up there, don't we? It gets too hot. Hey, baby. Hello, mister. What have you been doing? Yeah, hello. Is that you? Hello. So I'm getting my ring. Yeah? I'm getting my ring. I'm getting a big boy. Yeah? Hello, everyone. Say, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. And give mum a kiss? Oh, give me a kiss. Mwah. Hello. Oh, cheeky boy. Yeah? Rat bag. Yeah, you're a rat bag. Hey? Yeah, hello, my baby. Boo! Mwah. Give everyone kisses. Yeah. Oh, you want to hang up there, do you? Hey, my beautiful boy. Yeah, and lick my forehead. Yeah, always got to lick me, don't you? Yeah, it's my beautiful baby. It's my boy. Well, hello, my beautiful girl. Yeah? How have you been today? Yeah? You been good girl? Yeah, you were hanging upside down like a bat, weren't you? Hey? Yeah, that's my beautiful girl. Yeah, hey Echo. Yeah, baby. You on your swing? Yeah? You on your swing? Yeah, look at you. Clever boy. He's my clever boy. Hey? Hey. You like a swing, don't you, buddy? Hey. My cheeky boy. Whee. Oh, my cheeky boy. Peekaboo. Hello, red bag. I got your toys. So nice. You gotta lick everything, don't you, mister? Yeah? You gotta lick everything. Cheeky boy. Yeah, you're a cheeky boy. Way, you made it. Who's a clever baby? Yeah? He's a clever boy. Clever boy. Yeah, lick everything. Lick, 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 lick. Don't ya? Yeah. Rug. Oh, my beautiful girl. Yeah, hey baby. You're such a good girl. Yeah. Yeah, you're a good girl, aren't you, my Echo? Hey? Yeah. Oh, good girl. Yeah. Who's a baby? Oh. Hello, darling. What you doing? We're talking. Hello, baby. Yeah, hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hey? Yeah. It's my beautiful girl. Hey? Yeah. Oh, my baby. Such a beautiful girl, aren't you? Yeah. Oh. Such a good girl. Yeah. Who's a baby? Oh. Say thank you everybody for watching. Yeah, say thank you. Thanks guys. Have a great day and take care of yourselves. Now I can sit back and get cuddles with this little baby. Oh, my baby girl.
What is this guy doing here?